We are in the middle of gosh forsaken nowhere in Montana. Officially made it over the Rocky Mountains. The Rockies are right there, and look at how flat this is coming up.
We biked here. That's cool.
This is the hike and bike trail at Glacier. Hi. Glacier National Park, the little village. Tonight the crew is making
actually,
nachos.
Feel whichever one's riper. It might be that one.
Like we could do some like a mix of like pepper.
We could do like this place is sent from heaven. It is I just cannot get it. Lake McDonald is absolutely freezing, but of course I took an ice bath. Alright crew, we have switched bikes. Yeah. Claire's riding my bike. Hi. I'm riding her bike. Chris is riding Alan's. He says it's very wobbly, so no wonder why she always looks like she's gonna fall over. Alan, how do you like Chris's bike?
How's the handling?
It's very tall, so I don't really like it. Taller than mine? Where? Honey.
Go fast, Claire.
Yeah, I'm gonna soak.
Put your goggles on. Oh, you're soaking your legs.
Trivia. What is, this is something I don't know, I forgot. What is like, the weirdest thing that someone's like pedaled, scooted, or whatever across country? Like, it's like weird.
Probably a wheelbarrow.
So far.
And then, like, it would like drag you down. Like the wheelbarrow you
break every 100 miles. You'd have to have like new sets of wheels.
Would you push it or would you pull it like with a bike? Like would you just like hook it?
Is it two wheel or one wheel? I think that's what
I would put a rope on my back and I would just drag
it. I'd be like, okay.
So I was like, yo, biking across the country means we're biking a really far way.
Yeah.
And you have to like bike. Like, you have to bike.
Wow.
Self-motivated.
I just realized
No
Ubers.
No Ubers.
Oh shit. Oh,
Hitchhike. Okay, we see a goat. Oh my gosh. Okay, where is it? Right there in that little divot. It's
Theodore Roosevelt Memorial. Continental Divide. 5,000 feet.
There we go.
Where we are.
The Continental Divide. Look at those Rockies. Yay!
The indigenous people called that the backbone because it like the top of the mountain looks like a backbone.
My
but
backbone
then,
does not look like
no, I'm glad it doesn't. But then we called it something else.
What did you call it?
I don't know. John Mark said Tomato Hill, but I don't think that's right.
That was a fun climb, but it's time to go downhill.
Yeah, it's a lot chiller than the North Cascades.
Oh, it's super bright. I think that's a move. Good job, Elle. Guys, this is our campsite, and a train is coming right now. for it. Wow, this is super loud, obviously. But look. Woo, this is scary! Wow. That was 5 minutes long. All right, this is row number 4, trying to get the stick in the little Y for all these bear bags. We are in the middle of gosh forsaken nowhere in Montana. Just got out of Glacier National Park. Yes, it's Ellen's turn to throw.
Whoa!
Ooh, close. Oh, Claire and Chris are somewhere yonder doing their bear bag.
Okay,
They're probably done. We just need practice, okay? This is our, I think this is our 3rd one.
100 pounds of food.
We do have a lot of food and stuff. Trash, food.
We need your brother. Isn't he like a really good thrower?
Yeah.
Pitcher?
Pitcher, yeah.
That's
Get this over in one shot.
That's also a hitch knot. So that's the knot that we use. A what?
It's called a clove hitch.
A clove hitch.
It's not enough.
Oh my. Oh my gosh, it went down there.
It was a similar height to the branches.
It was in the wrong
I'm
direction.
really proud of that.
Okay.
Come on, Annie. Oh yes! Oh no!
It came off the stick! Are you kidding me?
I don't. That's why I don't trust clove
The
hitches.
stick came off. Guys, do not use a clove hitch. Not.
Great.
Clove hitches.
No, look at this. Look at this.
Someone climb up there.
Ah.
Alright.
I got it up on the thing and the
Alright,
stick
Annie,
fell
you're the
off.
one to throw
Disgusting.
it, 'cause you got it.
Whoa.
I need to back up. Oh!
I swear. It was going...
Oh my god!
Yes! Look at that.
Yeehaw!
This will work. We're gonna make this work.
Yeah,
will make
that's
this
perfect. Oh, that's right. He looks
looks
for a
great.
little life jacket.
Okay. Okay. So they pull.
Can you hold that? Yeah, we just need to go backwards. Okay.
Oh goodness, the tree is going to come out of the ground.
That's pretty good.
That's very good. Look at it. Doop-a-doo.
Hopefully the tree will be alright.
We'll fall. Hopefully it doesn't fall over. Wow, this one looks pretty good with like the rope over here and then the bag is over there. Officially made it over the Rocky Mountains. The Rockies are right there and look at how flat this is coming up. I am ecstatic. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, like we just climbed the Rocky Mountains. Like the Rocky Mountains of America are behind us now. Ellen's also behind me and then Claire is in front. Wow, it is Big Sky, Montana is absolutely breathtaking and I just am so thankful for this journey. Make sure you keep following along for more videos.